Hello, everyone. Something quite extraordinary has happened. The BBC is reporting that a civilian Lear jet plane has crashed in western Germany after a mid-air collision with a German Air Force Eurofighter jet. The Lear jet came down in a woodland near the town of Olsberg, killing one and leaving another feared dead. Goes on to say that the Eurofighter returned safely to its base, which is near Cologne. The incident happened during an exercise with another Eurofighter, the German media is reporting. Um, a news website is also saying that the Learjet was also taking part in this exercise. Firefighters have found wreckage of the Learjet with body parts of one person nearby. Here's a map of the region, and they have witnesses saying that the Learjet came down just 80 meters or 264 feet from a block of flats. And Olsberg lies in the Ruhr Valley in North Rhine-Westphalia state. The Eurofighter involved in the collision was badly damaged, but it managed to land safely. Break this news.